Welcome back, handymen and women. Today's video is likely the most important one I've ever done, and I think in the future I'm going to look back on this as still having been the most important video that I've ever put out on this channel. So you guys have clicked on a video about how to make $1,000 a day as a handyman, and I'm here to tell you, you can do it. You can absolutely have $1,000 a day as a handyman. In fact, it's not even hard to do. I promise you, once you get into this and you start gaining the experience, setting up $1,000 day is actually going to be one of the easiest things you can do. You can just decide, hey, I'm going to set up $1,000 day and I'm going to go make that happen. And to tell you the truth, it feels good. Feels really good to come home at the end of $1,000 day. It's even fun to go make that $1,000 in the day, because to do that you have to be good, and when you pull it off, it's just a little reminder that you've worked hard and you've made it somewhere that you've been trying to get. So by the end of this video, I promise you, you will know not only how to make $1,000 a day, you're going to know multiple different ways to set up $1,000 day for yourself.